Marie Salas performing her gymnastics. Let's give her a big hand.
I wish I had that on video.
Wow. Hope that's not a trampoline. Can you get up or is your hiney hurt? Can you stand up?
Okay, do your tumbling. It's hard to do it with the dress on, we know. Okay. Woo! Good!
Is that word now?
Oh, that was good.